let's get started for today. I wanted to talk about overhead lighting, not 45-degree lighting, overhead lighting. And I'm going to cover another basic fundamental, which is making sure the lighting that you pick is consistent. So before I get started, I wanted to cover some quick announcements for anyone curious. Today you'll see me use this, which is Portrait Studio. It's a fully customizable reference engine, and you guys can get it from my website. And it's on sale at the lowest, one of the lowest prices it'll be in the year, $39. My masterclass is also on sale. If you are new to the 14-day challenge, if you would like tutoring with me, but it's too expensive, if you just want to safely learn how, if you want to buy the product, you want to buy the class and have the class, but have it at my level teaching and my level rendering. If you are just looking for a very, very beginner-friendly, style-friendly, it comes with notes, it comes with a 3-month study schedule, it comes with the exact brushes I used, it comes with templates, like you cannot fail, completely fail-proof, and it's very, very good for those who are just getting into digital art. So we have a horizontal canvas, a character still in the middle of it. She is shadowed, light coming from overhead, casting a downward light. Very, very go-to lighting for introducing or revealing a villain character. Very cinematic, mysterious, intimidating, dangerous, demonic. You tell me what you feel once I do this. All right, everybody ready? What do you feel when I do this to her? All right. What do you guys feel? Right? So you're a bit more scared. She is about to crazy laugh. Excellent. Doing something like this where we only see the nose plus the crazy laugh kind of seems like someone who's possessed. If we just make the lighting point back up at the face, it just looks like a relaxed woman. She's just chilling, sitting on a park bench reading a book. But this is what really sells it, sells the intimidation factor. See before, after, at least tilted down. Before, you see that squishedness? Take a look. After. So now that I did that, I have to do a lot of extra work. So the first thing I'm going to do is just radially sculpt her cheekbones a little bit. We need a little bit more anatomy out here. All right, so before the liquefy, after the liquefy, we added some facial perspective, and after some extra lighting. All right, so when you're consistent with the light, when you're consistent with what you're doing with the light, you really don't fail, because you take that concept, whatever that concept is you're doing, you take it home, you make it really consistent, you really represent it. Just it should just be directly from above. And it's just a little spotlight like that. I'm gonna filter, blur, Gaussian blur it. I usually just do that so it has a presence in the back to silhouette her a little bit, and then I do a little bit on the front just so she is covered a little bit with that light coming from the top. Okay, so light has no style. You can do whatever you want as long as light is consistent. And as long as light is consistent, meaning all objects on the scene are reacting to the light the same way. Just learn about character tropes. The before looked a little dorky because one, you had zero perspective. She just looked like something that it was like a basic 3D model that you painted over or something. And it didn't feel like what you were adding to the character, which is black demonic eyes and demonic horns. It didn't seem like you were actually drawing a character that had these horns, you know, that had this character to them. One thing I would love to do is just extend the canvas vertically, but I really, really quickly wanted to Photoshop the body I posed in here because I just want to show you how badass she can look with a little bit of referencing for the body. And I also wanted to show you how easy it is to blend those plates that we have on the model. So what we're going to do is just blend really, really quickly around every major part, every fatty area, anything like that. and just match the value with the rest of the body. I'm going to really quickly duplicate that, go to midtones, and just bring in some of that overhead light. Just sneak it in wherever I feel like it would be caught in this scenario. So I'm just going to burn on midtones or even on highlights, and I'm just going to silhouette it all the way because it's far, far away from the light source. There's no need for it to stay super bright. So the more silhouette you add to the lower half, the cooler it'll look. Again, I'm going to show you the before and after, but it is extremely different, and I went through many, many layers of transformation. This is just to teach you in this Halloween scenario, in this Halloween theme today, the benefits of consistent lighting, which is fundamental number 2. Make sure all of your paintings have consistent lighting. So before, after. Fundamental number 1 is know what a core shadow is. That was last class. Fundamental number 2 is make sure all of those core shadows are consistent, including cast shadows. Absolutely, does film help understand with lighting? Absolutely it does. What else do you benefit from studying film? You know what lighting to use when you're trying to draw demon girls, when you're trying to draw an innocent angelic character, when you're trying to draw a scene with mystery, when you're trying to draw a scene with magic and wonder. All of these things have been done and redone and rehashed a million times, but the rules, the fundamentals of lighting and cinema are the same. So studying film is absolutely necessary for anyone who wants to be an illustrator, because that is exactly what you're doing in your illustration. You're the movie director, you're the cast, you're the prop director, you're the cameraman, you're everything. So you do have to know what all of them do. Thank you everyone for watching. Really, really big before and after today. So if you want to join us, go to istebrak.com and click on the subreddit icon here. This is where you can submit work for Critique Hour. One of the final Sketchtober challenges on my Discord community is one of the final Halloween one. Is actually the really coolest one. So if you guys join us on Discord for anything, it should be for the last Halloween Sketchtober installment, which is you'll only know it once you join. But so far, today's prompt is broken broomstick. Tomorrow is foggy train station. The 29th is skeleton lovers. The 30th is glowing eyes, which is very relevant. And the final one, the 31st, you guys can see it over there on the Discord. So please join. To join, you just have to go to istebrak.com and click this link right here on the community tab. And that'll take you to my server. And then of course, Portrait Studio and my masterclass are both on sale. You saw Portrait Studio's power today, how much work it can do for you, how much it can help you in your drafting process, commissions, whatever it is. It's going to be on sale for the until the 31st. So until Monday. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Happy Halloween. Stay safe, and bye guys.